So we have just arrived to the Rotorua. This is a TECT Park. It's a free camping spot located in a beautiful forest, as you can see. So I think this will be a better place. It's not going to be as stinky as if you were camp in Rotorua. So we are just having dinner. We're a little bit hungry. Been shopping, we've been driving all day. So we wanted to go for dinner today, but it was a little bit too late. And we're already inside the Pack and Safe, so we just grabbed something quick. It's getting late. It's after 7 p.m. so we're just gonna eat first. And then I should call it a day. Tomorrow we have a big hike in the morning. I mean, it's not a big hike, relatively big hike. And then we're gonna decide what we're gonna do. We got lots of things on our list for this area, so we're gonna stay here for at least 3-4 nights. I'm really excited to see this area. I've been looking forward to see the Rotorua and the Taranaki and then Tongariro the most. So I think this is going to be the most exciting part of our trip here. 15-minute dinner. Here's a quick look of our campsite. They have this is the kitchen area. You can wash your dishes here, but everything is operated by something called the KiwiCamp, so you need to organize that before you arrive here. Here are the toilet facilities. We have a laundry, we have a couple of showers and a couple of toilets, all the flushing toilets. Here's the main car park right next to the toilet. So you can camp here, or you can camp inside the forest. This is where we camped. Here's the main camping area, heading off for the hike. So in order to use the services at this campsite, you need to purchase something that is called Penny Key. So that will activate all of your services at the campsite. So basically what you do, you just purchase the key in the nearest retailer. I'm going to show you the map in a minute. You activate the Penny app on your phone, and then you top up, you put some credit in there, you top up, and you pay as you go. So the Penny keys can be purchased from many retailers in New Zealand, and there's a list of the retailers on their website, and the recommended retail price is $5. So here's the map. You can check out all the locations if you want to buy this key tag. So on their website you also find all of the locations that you can use this key tag. So currently there are 6 campsites that you can use this Penny tag, and there are 3 on the North Island and there are 3 on the South Island. So here's the list of all the facilities that you can use at the TECT Park with the prices. So as you can see, the washing machine is $4, shower is $2 for 5 minutes. You can use the PowerPoint, $1 for 2 hours. They also have a dryer and a cooktop, and the toilet is actually free. You don't need to have the Penny card. So basically if you want to stay there, maybe you didn't have time or you forgot to get the Penny card, you can still stay at the campsite, but you won't be able to use any other services other than the toilet. And then lastly, here's a very useful website. I would highly recommend you check this out and download their app onto your phone. This is a camping-nz.rankers.co.nz. So this is pretty much the best website to do your research when you're on the road, when you're trying to find the campsites. So as you can see in the Rotorua, there are not many free campsites. Most of the campsites are actually quite expensive. The closer you get to the town center, the more expensive it gets. So there are only 2 free ones. So this is the TECT Park. So this is the one that I showed you in a video. There's another free one. This is most of the time we found that it was filling up pretty quickly. We stayed here actually for 2 nights in the Rotorua Family Holiday Park, and I'm going to show you the quick tour of this holiday park in one of the next videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video in the Mount Tarawera.